Anybody else like to come up for public comment tonight? If you do, please state your name and address.
Jay Nygaard, 1386 West Point Road, Orono, Minnesota. And I'm here about something that happened a few years ago, and unfortunately, it seems most of you were part of it. In 2014, Walsh was elected to the council. 2016, Walsh formed a company called Green Energy LLC Corporation. My business is Green Energy LLC. From what I understand, Walsh was running around giddy that he was stealing my business. And all of you were sitting up there just, I don't know, doing what? How would any of you feel if that happened to you, that someone who got elected to the council decided to form a business to mirror your business and then be giddy about it as he used city and state funds to sue you to run your business out of business? That's what I experienced, and you were all a part of it, and you know it because you were there and you were with him and you know how he acted. I know it now too, because I now have a witness ready to step forward that not only did that happen, but after he moved to mayor in 2017, Walsh devised a quid pro quo with our neighbor to sue the city to sue us, which is unconscionable. Unconscionable. That's not how property zoning complaints work. They work that if the city has an issue, you use your own funds to do it. The League of Minnesota Trust is for when you're sued. But he figured that, and then shortly after, you all appointed my neighbor to some new zoning council, or shortly before, whatever. This was a quid pro quo developed. And unfortunately, for Mr. I'm going to shake my head like who I am up there and smirk and smile, I now have someone who's going to come and tell the truth that you abused your position as mayor to remove one of my products and interfere with one of my contracts and get rid of a turbine at another business simply because it interfered with your litigation with me and it interfered with your chance to take my business over. It happened. You all know it. You were here. Who here works and establishes a business for years to have one of their elected officials dance around with glee that, hey, I'm going to steal their business? Well, that's what's going on here. That's called bribery. That's what Mayor Walsh is involved in. It's a criminal act, and the statute of limitations is not expired because the court case was recently closed. So you are all exposed to this. And my question to you, and I'm not talking to him, I'm talking to you and you and you. Are you all going to do the right thing and come forward and talk about what happened in the real light? Or are you simply going to become an accessory to the crimes of this man against a longtime resident, against a disabled veteran, and against someone who owns a business in this community? What are you going to do?